Alright guys, I found it. 420. We're going. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So we are at our hotel in Da Nang. I got everything packed up. Look at that. Look at that. Bring your own soap day. This tripod is the only other problem. Like, it's as big as my head. It's like 8 of my heads. Huh. So if I get that down and all I have to carry is this bag, guys, I have figured out the backpacking life system in 20 liters or less. Today we're heading over to Hoi An, and I'm gonna be a fool. We're gonna be going from Da Nang to Hoi An, taking a grab bike because why not? And renting I don't want to rent a bike and then have to bring it back here. So we're gonna go ahead and take a grab down to Hoi An, and we're gonna hang out there for about 5 days. I got a hotel. I kind of screwed up though. There's an island called Cham Island. I'll put it up here somewhere. And I got a hotel there by mistake, not knowing it. It just said Hoi An. It didn't say like anything else. I get this message from the hotel like 20 minutes later. It's like, hey, have you been to the island yet? Oh. And I realized that they are actually on a Cham Island is actually an island off of Hoi An. So we'll do that again later. I think Cham Island, we've already done a couple resorts already in Thailand. I don't think I want to just sit on the beach and do nothing right now. I will catch you in probably Hoi An, so I'll see you in a bit. All right guys, so I lied. I love to walk. Like seriously, does anybody else like to walk like I do? I know there's people out there that are like ecstatic about jogging, riding bikes and stuff like that. And you get that jogger's high, right? This is some Forrest Gump shit. And I'm not saying I'm doing it, like I'm gonna do it completely, but we have left Da Nang. We are in the middle of Da Nang and Hoi An. I've walked about 7-8 kilometers so far. We've already left the beach area and whatnot. So seriously, the grab is like, it's like 130,000. I mean, Da Nang and Hoi An are really close together. Kind of show you what it looks like between Da Nang and Hoi An. Absolutely nothing. There's a lot of construction going on. There's some random coffee shops here and there, like really small, like somebody's house kind of a thing, which you kind of expect. And then a bunch of taxi drivers honking. If you're gonna be an idiot like me and walk, or if you just drive real slow and look around, this is what you'll see. Absolutely nothing. You know, I had this dumb idea. So when I grew up, Street Fighter 2, the arcade version came out, right? And like, you know, you go to your local like penny savers or you know, what are they? Like arcades and stuff to play the game. And remember Yu's story. What should people call it? Ryu? His whole thing was he just wandered the world with a bag, beating the shit out of people. I'm not fighting nobody, but I mean, I'm wandering the world with a bag. It's something that looks like a rifle, apparently. I love that game just because of you. And oh, so sweet. But I'm thinking about it now, it's like, I'm actually living that life minus the whipping the shit out of people. Actual Hoi An, I think we're about like 11 kilometers. So we are almost there. We're just getting off this back end stuff that we're doing. So I just realized we walked already, to give you an idea where we are. I've already walked to the Marble Mountain. This is far. I didn't realize we walked this far. We're only doing like 26 kilometers. What is that, like 16 miles or something like that for all my American friends here? Marble Mountain. I didn't realize we walked that far. So we're walking from Marble Mountain down to Hoi An, like Old Town. So give you an idea of what we got left, which is it's like 18 kilometers. This isn't really far from Hoi An at all. We are almost there. So I'm gonna try to find like a coffee shop, hang out, get some work done, and then we'll carry on. But we're gonna hang out here for a bit and just take a break. It's like a little coffee shop, I guess. Yeah, so we're gonna hang out here for, I don't know, like 10, 15 minutes. I'm gonna get a little work done. And then we're gonna head back on. We are down to like 17 kilometers and we are at the drop off. But I mean, again, like 9 to 10 kilometers will be in Hoi An for sure. I'm gonna get some work done, drink coffee, and I'll see you in a bit. Isn't it ironic that there's a bunch of goats at a goat restaurant? Right, let us in, cook us. Cook us. Oh, look at that. We are still hiking. We're down to like 50 kilometers. We're walking a highway. Police are pulling people over right here. I got a bunch of taxi drivers bothering me. I told them I'm walking to Hoi An and they all look at me like I was ridiculous. 13 kilometers gets us to the hotel, but the actual city, I think we're looking at like 7 or 8. Maybe more. I'm usually wrong about everything. So whatever the case is, we are almost there. And we're chugging it out. So we're officially out of Da Nang. We're not in Hoi An either. We are in Hoi An. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. But that is the city we're in. So we're kind of, I'm assuming, we're kind of dead center in the middle. But the mission is this, we're just to try to get inside the city. And then I might grab a taxi. I don't know. We'll find out. Look at the cheeky. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, I look like a fucking tomato. Jesus, I didn't realize that. So I've decided we are just gonna walk this. We have about 5.3 more kilometers until we're there. So we're just gonna walk it out. It's just village, man. There's like nothing really out here. We're walking up to the river and then we're gonna take a left. We'll be there. We are pretty much in Hoi An. right now, but this is like the outskirts of it, so. All right, Tomato David checking in with you guys. So we are about 6 kilometers, 7 kilometers away. Guys, I am now red and black. This is going to hell. But we are finally almost here. We're by the river. You kind of see on the map where I'm at. So we just gotta walk down this river. This has to be the dumbest thing I think I've ever done, guys. I mean, I've walked a lot, but walk one town to another in a third world country where I have to make sidewalks up as I go, you know what I mean? So hit that subscribe button, help a guy out, right? Either way, we are almost there. And I appreciate if you guys are still here with me because it means a lot because I'm kind of lonely out here. It's just me in a bag, right? But I don't think I've ever seen a jellyfish that big. Like seriously, take another look at that. Like it's got rivets on it. Like, dude, this is